well, you never see me because I'm...
You're in every vlog!
We're driving to the mall, but I can't say which mall.
Meljoy has been to this mall.
And Playlist is tweeting for us to book our hotel, and guess what we did today?
Booked our hotel! Where's my phone?
So come meet us.
Did I bring my phone?
It was on your desk if you grabbed it.
Alright, well, I left my phone, so I'll be back.
Okay, just leave them here with me. I have a story time for them. So today, when I was walking into school, I heard a car honking at me, and they honked, and I turned around, and guess who it was? The boy Emma used to like. So I walk up to his car, and he says, "Hey Blake, do you want a chicken nugget?" I was like, "No," and I walked away. That's the story. Hi Brayden. Oh, he just. And so yeah, we're gonna meet our friend Brady, Kyle, and Nandi, and go to Chick-fil-A and go shopping for a little bit. And then we're gonna go to our friend's lacrosse game, and that will be the rest of the day. I just told them my chicken nugget story.
I'm really glad.
You look tan.
Thank you.
On camera though.
Thank you.
Not in real life.
You look pale in real life and on camera.
Thank you.
Today and today.
Bye!
Okay, so. I'm not finished. I'm kind of out of breath.
You ran to the car in your driveway.
Hey guys! Woo!
Okay, you can stop. You're never like that in your videos. You're just like that with me.
Hey guys, it's Emma. So.
Hey guys, it's Emma, and today I'm here with my friend Blake.
Hey guys, it's Emma. So today I'm here with my friend Blake.
I was hit me in the face with my swell.
So we're going to be doing a carpool karaoke today, and Blake complains because she's never in any of my videos, but in reality she's in every single vlog that I ever do.
And I have fans. I went on Emma's live last night like just to watch it, and everyone's like, "Oh my gosh, it's Blake."
Yeah. So we're going to go to the mall right now. I think Blake already told you that. We're going to go to the mall to shop with our friend Kyle, who you know.
Why are the sprinklers not getting my car wet?
He was in my first carpool karaoke video. So
the first one, and then he was in the second one with both of us, if you remember that. You're a true fan if you remember.
You're a true fan if you remember, because it's no longer on my channel anymore.
Why?
Because I got copyright.
Yeah, because we literally sing the whole love story.
Yeah.
Wave to the crossing guard. She smiled. How nice. Lady, running down to the right, singing away to the dark side. I want to be your left-hand man. I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. And I don't need you. Damn. What if I was made for you and you were made for me? What if this is it? What if it's meant to be? What if I just pull you close? What if I lean in and the stars are up and it's our last first kiss?
Mel donated $100 to my dance marathon!
That's so nice!
Okay, it's not
Speaking of Mel, we are going to meet her at Playlist Live. Emma's met her like a bajillion times.
I've met
Actually
her
once.
once.
But I'm going to meet her once.
Thanks, Mel, for donating. I love you.
Thank you, Mel. We love you.
Of a suburban show. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If this baby, means nothing if I ain't got you.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance. I met her on Grafton Street, right outside of the bar. She shared a cigarette and yelled. Her brother played the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The Gaelic ink on your arm said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want, baby? Somebody.
We're laughing for the same reason. So the reason why Emma and I are laughing when Fire Burning came on was because a few months ago our friend Gianna set her house on fire. So it was
funny.
Really funny. Maybe it wasn't that funny.
Here's another one. It's called Burn It Up.
I'm hot. You're cold. I am. I'm slipping into the lava. 'Cause I'm burning up. enough for you, baby. This is my alarm clock in the morning.
Me too.
I kind of don't like listening to it because it reminds me. Yeah. It's fine though.
Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere that you would like. We could go out any day, any night.
Maybe I'll take you there, take you there. Maybe I'll take you there.
Oh, tell me how to turn your love on.
And if you want me to, yeah, and let me kiss you. Bitch, that ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl. And the beat is bananas, beat, yes, the beat is bananas, beat, seems like everybody's got it because I wonder how they sleep at night. It ain't about the money, it's not about the money, money, money. The story starts when it was hot and it was summer and I had it all, I had him right there where I wanted him. She came along, got him along and right to the applause. She took him faster than you could say sabotage. She underestimated just who she was stealing from. She's not the same and she's not what you think. She's an actress, wow. She should keep in mind, she should keep in mind. There is nothing I do better than revenge. She said to me, forget what you thought, 'cause the girls are bad girls that haven't been caught.
When nobody loves, she'll be with her boyfriend.
She's not reading books.
Just give us 1 second each, please. There's somebody that came out of the car and pulled up next to us.
make eye contact.
Oh my god,
Look at your phone, look at your phone.
Oh my god. Boy, do we have a story time for you.
We do?
Yeah. So I was walking to the car.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It is night now, so we were
Oh
obviously
my
out of the mall
God.
for a while. And on the way out of the mall, I said, have a nice trip. See you next fall. And Emma just kind of...
No, I legit fell on my
Busted
knees
her
bleeding.
Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Mama, ooh. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, 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 Galileo. I am unwritten, I read my mind, I'm undefined. No one else can speak the words on yours. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? What if I meet someone? But it's only for today. It's only for today. It's happening today. Tell the guards to open up the gate. Woke up today, feeling the way I always do. Good morning, Baltimore. Every day's like an open door. My knee hurts. Sorry. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click that thumbs up button and leave a comment of what your favorite song is to sing in the car. And please subscribe. We are so close to hitting 2.6K, 2.7K, 2.8K, 3,000. We're so close to hitting 3,000. So please subscribe and we will see you back here with a new video in a few days. Probably more than a few days, but we'll see you back here soon. And goodbye. That was good.
That was pretty good. 2.4K.